Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Snapchat device ban problem. So let's just get started. Firstly, just go to your app store and then just go and search for your Snapchat like this and then go over there. Firstly, check if you have logged, or let's say if you are downloaded or installed the app or not over here. And then what you can do is just go to your settings and then go all the way down. Just search for Snapchat and then let me see, there is a Snapchat. Just go over here and make sure that everything is like this. You can see all this, let's say the microphone, camera, the notification, everything should be on. And then go back and again go to your channels section like this and then go to iPhone storage. And over here just go to Snapchat and you can upload, choose the upload app option, and you can like clear cache or like clear the data that it has. And then just try to go to your Snapchat. Let's say it's over here, and then go to your Snapchat and then just try it if it's working or not. So it will work, guys. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.